Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to chat to you about how to choose the perfect rug for your space. This is something I know so many people struggle with, so I'm going to share with you my foolproof tips and tricks on how to choose the perfect rug for any room in your home. Before we get into the video, my name is Kirstie and welcome to my little community here on YouTube. If you haven't already, I would love if you stuck around and joined me here by hitting that subscribe button down below if you haven't already. So my number one top overarching tip for selecting the perfect rug for your space is that bigger is always better. Buy the largest rug for your space that you can afford. This is the number one thing that I see people do wrong whenever they're selecting a rug for their space, is that they tend to select something that's just way too small. So in a living room or a lounge room or a den, somewhere where you have a seating area, you want to select something that is large enough that at least the front legs of all of your pieces of furniture can fit onto the rug. You want to use the rug to anchor the space, to join all of those different chairs together. In a really large room, I have quite a large living room, it's very long, and the rug helps to define the seating area. In my living room, the rug that I have in here is actually a 9x12 rug, so it's very large, and it works perfectly to put the front legs of all of the couches and chairs in the room onto it. In a dining room, you want the rug to be large enough that the table and all of the chairs can fit comfortably on the rug. Plus, you want extra space so that the chairs can be pulled out when people sit down and they don't fall off the edge of the rug. This can be super annoying for family members and your guests when they sit down and they're trying to pull their chair in and it's stuck on the edge of the rug and they have to get up to pull it in, and it's just really awkward. So you want an extra sort of at least foot and a half behind your chairs so that people can pull them out comfortably and pull them back in with ease. In a bedroom, I like to place rugs underneath the bed at least halfway to 2/3 up the bed, so that when you step out onto the rug as opposed to onto cold hard floors. You also want it then large enough to come out a couple of feet either side of the bed. This way it creates a nice anchor for your bedroom. As an example, I like to use 9x12 rugs for a king bed and either 7x9 or 8x10 rugs for full or queen size beds. When selecting a rug for a high traffic area, make sure you choose something that is really durable, a durable weave and a durable material. As an example, if you select a high pile or shag rug for a space that gets a lot of traffic, maybe something like your lounge room where you have pets and kids on them all the time, that rug is just going to get destroyed really fast. I like to select something with a low pile and a tight weave and something that has a durable material, something like wool or jute. That's what our rug is made out of in our lounge room, and it vacuums and cleans really well. No matter how much hair or dirt it gets on it, it always comes up really clean and it just looks brand new, and we've had it for nearly 2 years now. I always purchase my rugs online. My favorite places to shop are Wayfair, Birch Lane, Joss and Main and Overstock. All of these places have really well priced rugs and they ship them for free, which is fantastic because rugs are very large and very heavy. So it's always good if you don't have to pay for shipping for those. Other good places to try are Walmart and Target. These places also have great options for rugs at really reasonable prices. And finally, invest in a vacuum cleaner that has a really good power head on it. This will be invaluable over time, especially if you have children or pets, to keep your rugs looking fresh and clean. If you want some other tips on how to keep your home looking fresh and clean, I have a video on that, which I will link in the cards above and in the description box below. So those are my tips on how to select the perfect rug for your space and your home. If you have some tips that maybe you go by when selecting a rug, why not let me know in the comments down below and we can help each other out. If you enjoyed the video today, I would love if you could give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all next week. Bye.